Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Manhal Islamic Institute and welcome to our first Arabic class. If you are a complete beginner and want to read the Holy Quran correctly and truly, you are in the right place. From this series, we will learn the letters and basic rules very easily. So don't be afraid at all. We will learn together and step by step. Just listen carefully and repeat after me and repeat with me very carefully. So let's begin our first lesson with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So this is first letter. When you want to pronounce this letter, you have to open your mouth. You have to open your mouth like this, like this. Ah, okay. Ah, ah. Alif. Its sound will be alif, alif. But when you put any harakat like fatha, dhamma, kasra, its sound will be very different. Okay. Alif, alif. The next half is ba, ba, and ba. You make sure to long 1 second long. Wow. Make sure to make 1 second long. Okay. Ba, ba, and open your mouth. Ba, 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 and then third half is ta, 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 jim. You have to make this letter 4 seconds longer. 4 seconds longer you have to long. Okay. Jim, jim, and then ha, ha. Wow. So what is the difference between jim and ha? Okay. So when you put so firstly you have a look. There, there is he has not any dot between upon these and middle this, but Jim has an dot the his middle place. Okay. So first half is Alif, Alif, Alif. Open your mouth. Okay. Alif, Alif is a strong half, strong half. That means shadda in Arabic. Okay. Alif, Alif, ba, 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 and third half is ta, 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 fa, ta. Fourth half is jim. Make sure to long this sound at least for Alif. Okay, at least for Alif, make sure to long it, and that means this jim sound will be 4 seconds longer. Jim, Jim, Ha, 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 Ha. Have a look. Jim has a dot middle point, and Ha has not any dot, not upon this letter and not middle. Okay, but Ha, he has a dot. He has a dot upon himself. Ha, ha, dal. It also will be for alif longer. Dal, 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 ra, 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 za, 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 sin, sin, sheen. Have a look. Sheen has three dot. Okay, three dot. Sheen has three dot. But if you have a look, if you look at sin, sin uh, don't have doesn't have any dot. Sin. Okay. After that, sheen, sheen. No, 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 sorry. This is sod, saw. Open your mouth and repeat this letter with loudly, aloud. Okay, sod, and then bo, body, body. Okay, then bo, 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 vo, 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 ain, ain. Then ghain, ghain. Fa, fa, fa. Qaf, qaf. Kaf. So between qaf and kaf, so difference. Okay, this is qa, qa, qaf. With this sound is very fat, but kaf sound is very thin and light. Light. Kaf, 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 and then lam, lam, mim, mim, noon. So when you pronounce this letter noon, you have to round your lips. Okay, noon, noon, noon is you have to go around noon. Wow, wow. This is ha. 1 second, just 1 second long. Ha, ha, Hamzah, Hamzah, Ya, Ya, Ya. Sometimes Ya has a two dot, like two dot, but sometimes he uh, hasn't any dot. Okay, it doesn't matter. When you decide, when you decide, and you can become a fluent fluency in Arabic later. You can you can you can know this is yeah. Okay, yeah, yeah. So that was our first lesson. So keep practicing. When you're practicing this chapter and this individual letter very carefully and with hard work, your pronunciation will be good. Because before you recite the Holy Quran correctly, you have to improve your pronunciation. Like English language, when you every in whatever language, when you want to become a successful and become fluency uh, in any language, firstly you have to uh, pronounce every letter correctly. Okay, thank you for watching this video. So if you want to join Manhal Islamic Institute for learning Quran correctly with with an winner prize winner in Dubai International Quran competition and Kuwait Jordan. So in the description we we will put our website and make sure to enroll in this course. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.